समझ आ रही क्या समझ
fuel consumption ज़्यादा. So after the Friday prayer, we are back in the Koleos, and well, just to give you some more POV shots of this wonderful car. These are the AC controls. Then this is the main screen, the passenger screen, and this is from where you control the interior lighting. What do we have over here? A mirror on its back. What about the rear mirror? How about this? Is it?
This is a normal rear view mirror.
Okay.
Doesn't have that DVR.
Okay.
And even that button that we see in the normal cars, you know. So it has a blue light film, right? So it will reflect the high beam lights.
Nice.
Coming back to important features, if you go back to here, at least you know, you will get to see the light.
Okay, there's some lighting as well. Oh,
Yeah.
This is good for people making videos in the car.
Correct. And especially for the girls who want to do makeup.
Exactly. True
For
that.
the screen you were showing, so there's a very rare feature over here. So you have the main control here.
Okay.
So if you can show this this screen, right? So we can set up the navigation here.
Oh,
And
so
this whole screen,
it becomes a navigation.
it
map.
becomes the navigation. So
Wonderful, man. This is such a amazing feature.
yeah. And at night it will be having a better view with the head-over display.
Head-over display, man. These are the.
So you don't need to look here.
These are the
again
sorts
and
of features you get in a Cadillac. Yeah.
tiny details, attention to details they have given.
Yeah.
But yeah, this you'll get to figure out a lot of features are here.
Definitely worth the money.
Yes,
And,
definitely worth the money, brother.
Yeah.
Let's, even though we're done with the Friday prayer, let's. I made even a playlist for this car.
So before the playlist gives us copyright.
No
strike.
copyright. Spotify.
Are you sure?
Follow me on Spotify, Arslan Malik, and then you can have all of this music.
Yeah, they are gonna follow you on YouTube as well, inshallah.
Yes, inshallah, for sure. So let's hear the Bose sound system. We have the Bose sound system with
Oh wow.
10 speakers. We'll just take around from here
Oh, wonderful.
just to hear how it sounds. Another interesting feature. I just pressed this button to you know, pull
Open
up
the panoramic.
sunshade, panoramic roof. But if you can go here to the settings and then the sunroof. So you have this sliding button. Okay. So for example, I want to do it half of it.
Wonderful.
Okay, so this is gonna do that, and then close all. So you have two controls, either from here, manual,
Or
and then
from the screen.
from the screen as well.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Now that we are going to head towards this underpass,
Yes.
you will see these lights.
Yeah.
It will turn on from night mode.
Okay, it will go into the night mode.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Oh, check this out.
It will automatically go from the night mode. And once you cross this, it will be back to day mode.
Day mode. See.
Another cool feature you want to check it out. We have these lines over here.
Okay. Yeah.
Even though it's like 25% faded, but what I'm going to do is just gonna take
Steering
off my
assist.
hands. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. without the.
Oh yeah,
without
it's
the
turning.
screws.
Oh, wonderful, man.
I'm not gonna do anything. So it's gonna take care of it while I am finding my mobile, which probably I might have dropped.
Yeah, you have to be a little bit watchful. Other than that, it's controlling.
Yeah, it's controlled.
Oh man, honestly, you said that the tracks are faded, sort of. And this is a full-fledged review of this car. We need to make a video on each and every feature in detail,
Full
man.
video
This
will be
is-
coming
yeah.
out on our channel.
Yeah. Wonderful. Okay, with this, we hope that you will be in the best of your health, wealth, love, and happiness in your life. Stay blessed. See more videos on our channel.